Have you ever wished your rearview mirror could do more than just show what's behind you? The right mirror camera records every drive, gives you a crystal clear rear view, helps with parking, and adds real peace of mind on the road. Today, I'm counting down my top 7 rearview mirror cameras for all cars, starting with a solid budget option and ending with the one I think stands above the rest. Stick around because the differences between these models can make a real impact on your everyday driving. You'll find links to every camera in this video down in the description. Check them out for ongoing Amazon deals. Starting us off is the AUTOVOX V6 Mirror Dash Cam. A great pick if you want something straightforward and dependable. It's an easy entry point if you've never owned a mirror dash cam before. The V6 records front and rear video while replacing your standard mirror with a touchscreen display. The rear camera offers a much wider field of view than a factory mirror, which really helps when your cargo area is full or passengers block your rear window. The screen stays bright enough for daytime use and adjusts automatically at night. What stands out most is how clean the interface feels. Switching camera views takes a quick swipe, and the menus aren't overloaded. Loop recording, parking monitoring, and G-sensor protection all run quietly in the background so you can just focus on driving. Video quality won't match the top models on this list, especially in heavy rain or very dark conditions. But for drivers who want a reliable entry-level option that covers the basics, the V6 gets the job done. At number 6 is the JOMISE T860 Plus Mirror Dash Cam, a solid step up in both display and recording quality. The large touchscreen instantly makes the whole system feel more modern. Its biggest strength is pairing sharp front footage with a responsive screen. Navigating menus and reviewing clips feels smooth with no noticeable lag. The rear camera also delivers a clear picture that helps cut down blind spots while reversing or changing lanes. Night recording is genuinely impressive thanks to improved image processing. Street signs stay readable, headlight glare is reduced, and visibility holds up well after dark, which matters a lot if you commute at night. The T860 Plus balances everyday convenience with recording quality nicely. It's missing a few premium extras found higher on this list, but it delivers where most drivers actually need it. Taking 5th is the AZDOME PG17 Pro Mirror Dash Cam, built for drivers who want more advanced recording without unnecessary complexity. The higher resolution display alone gives it a cleaner, more premium feel. The front camera captures detailed footage that helps preserve license plates and road signs in good lighting, and the wide-angle rear camera gives you a much better read on traffic behind you than a standard mirror. Playback is smooth and the controls are intuitive. Scrolling through recorded clips feels quick and responsive. Parking monitoring, loop recording, and impact detection add extra protection while your car sits parked. Image quality is a clear step up from the previous 2 picks, especially in changing light like tunnels or overcast days. For a more polished all-around experience, the PG17 Pro delivers. Cracking the top 4 is the Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dash Cam, which leans heavily into pairing strong video quality with smart driving features, making it one of the more well-rounded options out there. The display is crisp and responsive, and the front camera holds detail across a range of conditions. Colors stay natural, exposure adjusts fast, and the rear camera gives a stable, wide-angle view that boosts overall visibility. Where this one really separates itself is driver assistance. Depending on your install and calibration, features like lane departure alerts and forward collision warnings add a useful layer of awareness on long highway drives, meant to assist, not replace, an attentive driver. It's all wrapped in an easy-to-use daily package. If you want recording performance plus a bit of extra driving assistance, the S12 Pro is worth serious consideration. Landing at number 3 is the WOLFBOX G930 Mirror Dash Cam, a favorite among drivers who want premium performance without going all the way to flagship pricing. It consistently earns praise for its display and reliable recording. The large touchscreen gives you a bright, clear live view that genuinely feels like a digital rearview mirror. Even in bad weather, the rear camera often shows you more than a rain-streaked back window ever could. Video quality impresses day and night. It handles changing light smoothly, keeping highlights from blowing out while preserving detail in shadows, so footage stays sharp enough to capture what matters. The overall experience is polished too. Setup is simple, menus are intuitive, and everything feels dialed in. For a lot of drivers, this is already more mirror camera than they'll ever need. Our runner-up is the Pelsee P12 Pro Max Mirror Dash Cam, which builds on everything Pelsee has learned from earlier models to deliver an impressive mix of image quality, smart features, and usability. The front camera captures extremely sharp footage with excellent color accuracy, and the rear camera offers a wide, detailed view that's a huge help when reversing or changing lanes. Even tough lighting is handled with confidence, producing balanced, easy-to-review footage. The touchscreen feels fast and polished. Menus, playback, and settings all respond quickly with no frustrating lag. Smart driving alerts are refined too, staying useful without becoming distracting. For drivers who want a premium mirror dash cam that excels across nearly every category, the P12 Pro Max comes extremely close to taking the top spot. Taking the top spot is the WOLFBOX G900 Pro Mirror Dash Cam. After comparing everything on this list, it's the one I'd recommend to the widest range of drivers. It simply delivers one of the strongest overall packages you can get right now. Video quality is outstanding front and rear. Fine detail holds up in daylight, and nighttime recording controls glare from headlights and streetlights impressively well, giving you cleaner footage you can actually rely on. The display itself feels premium, excellent brightness, smooth touch response, and a genuinely clear digital mirror view. Whether you're in heavy traffic, backing into a tight spot, or just checking what's behind you, it beats a traditional mirror by a wide margin. Beyond the picture quality, the whole system feels refined. Recording starts automatically, menus respond instantly, parking surveillance works reliably, and daily use requires almost no thought once it's installed. That's exactly what you want from a mirror dash cam. Between the recording quality, polished software, dependable performance, and premium feature set, the WOLFBOX G900 Pro is my #1 pick for anyone looking to upgrade their car with a rear-view mirror camera. That wraps up my picks for the best rear-view mirror cameras for all cars. Every model here brings something different, whether you want a simple daily upgrade or a premium digital mirror packed with features. Check the description below for Amazon links to every camera featured, along with the latest deals and availability. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more honest automotive tech reviews and buying guides. I drop new videos every week, so don't miss out. Drop a comment and let me know which mirror camera you're running or what your current setup looks like. Your experience could help someone else make the right call. See you in the next video.